Hi guys, I'm Gia. Welcome to my class. Yesterday we learned how to use 会 and 能. Have you already get them? Today we will learn something new. How to describe a person or stuff having two qualities. For example, the watermelon is big and sweet. She's beautiful and hardworking. We can use the pattern you adjective 1 plus you adjective 2. The watermelon is big and sweet. We can say 西瓜又大又甜. She's beautiful and hardworking. We can say 她又漂亮又努力. Here, 她 its subject, 又漂亮又努力 is predicate. In Chinese, adjective can play as predicate in some sentences, like the sentence made by you, adjective 1 plus you, adjective 2. Now let's look at some examples. If I say, 这家超市东西又多又贵, is this sentence correct? No, it's not correct because in you, blah blah you sentence, the two adjectives need to be of the same nature, either both positive, negative, or neutral for the speaker. It cannot, adjective 1 is positive, adjective 2 is negative, otherwise it sounds a little weird logically. So it can be corrected to 这家超市东西又多又便宜 or 这家超市东西又少又贵. Now let's see another example, how to make sentences with 又. We can say 房子又旧又暗 or 房子又暗又破. We continue to learn more 又 blah blah 又. Besides, plus adjectives also come plus verbs for describing two actions or situations existing at the same time. The structure is 又 verb 1 plus you verb 2. For example, 小女孩又哭又笑. Another example, 她又生气又担心. Let's continue. 他们又唱又跳. 他又弹又唱. Now let's make summary. Today we learned two sentence structures with 又 blah blah 又. The first one, 又 adjective 1 plus 又 adjective 2. For describing a person or stuff having two features. Please attention that the two adjectives need to be of the same nature, either both positive, negative, or neutral for the speaker. It cannot be adjective 1 positive, adjective 2 negative. Otherwise, it sounds a little weird logically. The other one, 又 verb 1 plus you verb 2. For describing two action situations existing at the same time. For example, 演唱会上歌手们又唱又跳又弹又唱. "你学会了吗? It's suggestible that you make your own sentences with what we have learned in this class. You can write your sentences in the comments. Any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. 再见。